Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titingnan natin ang energies ng inyong love life ngayong May 2024. So, para sa mga single at in a relationship. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your sun, moon, rising, Venus. For other messages, and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe. Turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description. Paki-check nyo na lang para makapag-book kayo ng private reading. Okay, let's see. Leo, what's up? Unahin natin yung mga in a relationship. Anong energies parating sa inyong love life ngayong May in a relationship na Leo? The Magician. Some of you are going to be more expressive, no, ng feelings, nararamdaman nyo, naiisip ninyo pagdating sa relationship. Some of you are also manifesting a stronger relationship with someone, no, with your person. You may be dealing with a Gemini or a Virgo. Yung iba sa inyo, nagsisimula pa lang tong relationship na to. Yes, with the Page of Wands. You are starting to explore this relationship. Maaring nagkakapalagayan pa lang kayo ng loob, pero, nandun na kayo sa commitment, no? And I see you traveling together para mas makilala nyo yung bawat isa. Ito yung tipong first phase ng isang relasyon. Exciting pa to. Adventurous pa kayo. Ganyan. You have the Two of Pentacles. So, I think both of you are professionals or pareho kayong busy sa kanya-kanya ninyong trabaho, career, business. So, ngayon, binabalance nyo yung oras at panahon nyo sa isa't isa na syempre, lalo na kung bago pa lang yung relationship, may mga adjustments na kailangang gawin. Like, yung pag-allocate nyo ng time, no? Ng oras, panahon na, okay, since meron na akong karelasyon, kailangan may oras na ako sa kanya every weekend, or may mga activities kayo together. Ganyan. Let's see, ano pa. You have the Ace of Wands. Okay, so I feel like your relationship with this person is going to be very fiery, very passionate, no? You may be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius din, kapareho nyo. And parang alam mo yung feeling na may kilig, sobrang kilig pa, ganyan. So, may travel opportunities kayo. Pwedeng, kung matagal naman na kayo sa relationship, I think may mga plans kayo of doing some activities, na gumawa ng mga activities together, like travel, na hindi nyo pa natatry before. Oo. Gusto nyo ngayon na mas mag-explore pa sa inyong relationship. And syempre, gusto nyo rin na maisingit talaga yan. Not actually maisingit, but magbigay ng oras at panahon para sa mga karelasyon ninyo. Oo. Ayan, empowerment, conjunction. This is about support. This is about boosting, strengthening your love for each other. Mas nag-i-intensify ang inyong love for each other. You have the second house, which is the house of possessions, finances. I think pareho kayong focus sa stability ng inyong finances. You both want to have solid or stable na career. So, gusto nyo talaga, you are both supporting each other. And also, inaalagaan nyo rin yung isa't isa. Because the second house is about value. So, you value yung mga bagay na makakapagpaunlad para sa isa't isa. And at the same time, supportive rin kayo doon sa mga gusto ng bawat isa, lalo na kung iyon ay makakatulong sa pag-aalaga ng bawat isa. So example, your person likes to go to the salon or to the spa kasi yun nakakapagpa-relax sa kanya. So I think sinishare nyo pareho yung mga bagay na maaalagaan nyo yung bawat isa. Like for example, pupunta kayo sa salon na magkasama kayo to treat each other, no? Magpapamani-pedi, ganyan, or magpapagupit, magpapamassage, things like that. You also have the North Node, which is destiny. So, some of you, maaring itong relationship na to is so serious na pwedeng mauwi sa kasalan, no? Kung kayo naman ay mag-asawa na, I also see this relationship evolving into a more mature relationship na mas matatag. So, let's see ano pa for Leo in a relationship. Patience. Patience is the key to your relationship. Of course, kailangan may tiwala kayo sa isa't isa. Willing na baguhin yung mga dapat nyong baguhin. At syempre, may kalayaan kayo. May kalayaan pa rin kayo na magawa yung gusto nyo. Hindi naman yung tipong nakakasakal. Kaya nga importante na you trust each other. Okay? And I think itong relationship nyo, mas, like what I mentioned kanina, mas nagmamature, no? Hindi na yung tipong kung sino yung mas magaling or may pagka-childish na hindi na makatarungan or reasonable yung dahilan nyo para magalit. So for you, you are both evolving, transforming into a better version of yourselves. So that's for in a relationship. Now, let's go naman sa mga single dyan. Single na Leo. Tingnan natin. Single na Leo. So, ibig sabihin nito, wala kang commitment with someone. But, pwedeng you are talking to someone, meron kang situationship ngayon. Let's see, Leo. Uy! 2 of Cups. Judgment. Okay. Oh! Yung iba sa inyo recently, may nagbago sa relationship. Merong losses dito eh. So, ito yung tipong gusto nyo pa na ipagpatuloy yung relationship pero may nakialam, may nakigulo, or may nag-end. Ayan. Hindi naman porket nag-end ang isang relationship, ibig sabihin hindi na ninyo mahal yung isa't isa. Maaring meron lang kayong kailangang ayusin muna sa sarili ninyo. Yung iba, loss of a loved one. Kaya parang you feel lost. Ikaw mismo, you are feeling lost. Yung iba naman is wala kayong choice kundi tapusin yung relationship at the moment because hindi na siya nakakabuti para sa inyo or para sa iba. You have opportunities to focus on yourself. Yeah, tingnan mo. You have the opportunity to focus on yourself. Practicing self-love, self-care. Pwede kasing masyadong nag-focus ka sa person mo to the point na nakalimutan mo ng alagaan yung sarili mo. Pwede kasing may nagbago sa'yo, nagbago sa kanya. And it doesn't mean na hindi nyo na mahal yung isa't isa. Kumbaga, hindi lang in alignment ngayon, no? May sabotage. Someone is making excuses. I think, no, this relationship, pwede tong, in the future, pwede tong maayos. Okay? Depende na yan sa inyong magiging state of mind, no, sa susunod na panahon. But at this point, I think you are focused on sarili muna. Pwede kasing meron ditong ayaw na muna niya sa isang relationship, ayaw na muna niya yung, alam mo yung pinakikialaman siya, ganon. But I think pag nagkaroon kayo ng chance ulit na maging mag-usap at wala nang problema kagaya dati, pwede niyong bigyan ng chance tong relationship na to. But at this point, there is an ending or a loss of a relationship. Okay? So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. Bye!